Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I will take you through another one travel journey of ours. So recently, a few weeks back, by the end of December, we visited Kodaikanal for 3 days. So I'm going to break down the complete journey, how much we have spent in this journey and which are the places that we have visited, and everything is kind of pocket friendly other than our stay. Okay, I'll explain you why I'm saying this, why this stay is more expensive than what we have planned throughout the day where we have visited. And yeah, let's just begin with this video where I'm going to break down our journey from spending the expenditure to visit Kodaikanal, as well as to see the places that are there as a tourist place in Kodaikanal. So starting with booking the stay as well as booking a way to go and reach Kodaikanal. So we started the journey from Bangalore. So we have booked it through Red Bus and we have chose the travel green line. So we booked 2 seats for the complete journey, and the bus journey was so smooth. So we booked a sleeper stay in with green line so that we can reach the place completely safe, sound, as well as in a comfort zone. So we booked the ticket at around 1200 rupees per person. In total, it took around 2500 for both of us. Now, after that, we booked our stay. We booked it through Airbnb. So we are looking into few homestay because we don't want to go there and stay in a hotel place. I feel like we'll not have that opportunity to explain the city as much as we can do it by staying at a homestay. So we searched we searched 2 3 websites. Airbnb, we have went through Agoda, we have also looked into Make My Trip, even we have looked into Oyo. But what I feel like, these stays options that we were getting on Airbnb are much more beautiful to look around, and the facilities that were written in Airbnb, it was very easy to identify which stay will be comfortable for us. So we booked the Bohemian Bohemian Hideaway. It's a little bit far away from the main city, or you can say the main town. It was around, I guess, 7 to 8 kilometers from the bus stop of Kodaikanal. So it's little bit far away from the city. The area was the completely residential area where we stayed. So in Bohemian Hideaway, we stayed for 3 days and 2 nights, and it has cost us approximately around 10,000. So it's a round figure that we have paid, around 10,000 for 3 days and 2 nights. It's a duplex building, but we stayed in the ground floor. I felt like the complete ground floor was to us. The kitchen, the living area, the bedroom in the ground floor, as well as the lawn. We had the lawn access, and if you go to the backyard of Bohemian Hideaway, the backyard scenario is amazing. You will be able to see a water stream. You can enjoy that water stream view along with the hills of Kodaikanal. So it was very beautiful stay. Even the property manager over there was so friendly and so helpful. I will recommend you, if you guys are planning to go and visit Kodaikanal, and if you're looking for a good homestay, then definitely you should choose for Bohemian Hideaway. So I will put all the information about Bohemian Hideaway in the description. So if anyone who is willing to go and visit Kodaikanal and looking for a good homestay, you can go to that link. All the informations will be there, and you can book your stay for the time that you want to spend in Kodaikanal. Now, moving ahead to day 1. So I'm going to explain with the breakage of the expenses that we have spent in day 1 over here in this video. So in the day 1, as soon as we reached the city, we took a cab from the bus stop directly to Bohemian Hideaway, where we have booked our stay. It cost us around 500 rupees. I felt like it was a bit expensive, but I can understand. If you are from any hill station, or you have visited a hill station multiple times, you will know the prices of everything up there in the hill is a little bit in the expensive end. So yeah, it cost us around 500 for just half an hour of ride. And as I mentioned, the place where we were staying from the bus stop of Kodaikanal was around 7.8 to 8 kilometers. Cost us 500 rupees. After that, we checked into the place, we freshened up over there, and after that we thought to take a bus ride, like a local travel from that area of the town to the main town, like the main market of Kodaikanal. But while we were proceeding to the bus stop, we got two gentlemen was there who has actually helped us to take a free ride from them and reach the town. So you can say the cost to reach the main town got excluded from the expense over here. Now after reaching there in the main town, we walked from the main market to Cooker's Walk. It was around just 2.5 kilometer from where we have been dropped. Like, it was the main market over there in Kodaikanal. So from that place till Cooker's Walk, it was around 2.5 kilometer of walk. We walked to Cooker's Walk and the entry fee to Cooker's Walk is around 30 rupees per person. So we spent 60 rupees for both of us to went to this walk. Believe me, it's a amazing walk that we had took after a long time. It was you will be able to see the complete hill view, and in that hill view, because it was so foggy out that day, the scenario of the town was amazing. Now while in Cooker's Walk we were having our time, we thought to have a coffee. So we took two coffee of around 40 rupees each. So after that, exactly opposite to Cooker's Walk, there is Brian's Park. So we went from Cooker's Walk to Brian's Park. Again in Brian's Park, the entry fee and the entry ticket is of 30 rupees per person. So we spent again around 60 rupees to enter Brian's Park. Brian's Park, believe me, don't have a lot of things to see. It's just few horticultures over there we have seen. It's a very small park to go there and enjoy. We just stayed for 5 minutes over there. So from there itself, just 5 minutes away from Brian's Park exit gate, you will be able to see the Kodaikanal Lake. So we directly went to Kodaikanal Lake from Brian's Park. We did boating over there. It cost us around 150 rupees for 30 minutes of one boat. Now again we paid 300 rupees over there because 150 was as a security money. So if you are doing the boating more than 30 minutes, then you will not get a refund of that extra 150 rupees. So 150 was the ride price and the another 150 was a deposit money, which was a refundable one if you are doing this boating of around 30 minutes. Now after that, we were just roaming around the market over there. Basically what I felt about that market was that it was only because of the tourist. Like that market area was only for the tourist. It was attracting tourists because most of the items over there people were purchasing all are around like a souvenir kind of thing. So whosoever has went for holiday or whoever was a tourist over there were purchasing all those items. Now we thought to purchase some homemade chocolates. Ooty, Kodaikanal, those are famous for their homemade chocolates. So we purchased around 80 rupees of around 200 grams for the chocolates. We paid around 80 rupees. After that, we directly went for our lunch. We did the lunch over in this restaurant. I'm going to put a clip of that restaurant on the screen along with the name of that restaurant. We spent around 450 rupees. It was not a heavy lunch, you can say. We just had like pav bhaji and chole bhature over there along with the sweet lime soda. It was 450 rupees. Again, I felt like it was a bit higher in the price sense. For 450 rupees, I would have got a proper lunch. Now after that, we again took a cab from the main market to our homestay, Bohemian hideout. Now this time we did a little bit of bargaining with the cab driver and he agreed to take 400 rupees to make us reach to our stay. And for dinner, we spent approximately around 400 rupees for that day. Now for day 2, we actually booked a package to visit each and every part of Kodaikanal and visit all the tourist spot and not to miss any one of it. Now when we were connecting with all the travel or tourist guide, we came to know there are three kind of packages in Kodaikanal to visit. One is a mixed, you will get a mixed view of the city as well as village tour. Okay, they have a separate village tour, they have a trekking tour where they will take you through all the trekking places. And for the village tour, they will basically take you to the outskirts of Kodaikanal and make you visit all the smaller villages which have been surrounding Kodaikanal. So we took a mix of both of these trekking and the village tour, and it cost us around 3,200 for the complete day visit. So the driver directly came to our stay. He picked us from our stay. Now directly from there, first we went to Pine Forest, and for to visit Pine Forest you don't have to pay anything. It's a free of cost entry over there. Pine Forest, we directly went to Palani View. In Palani View, definitely the view was literally amazing. Again, to watch that view you don't have to pay any amount. It was free to watch, but we spent 30 rupees over there. We took a filter coffee and we both shared that of 30 rupees. Just in 2 minutes of ride from Palani View, there is a Mahalakshmi temple that you can visit. We again went there. Again, no entry fee to go to Mahalakshmi temple. Now from Mahalakshmi temple, we directly went to sheep farm. So the sheep farm is maintained under the government, so we have to pay around 40 rupees for per ticket to enter the sheep farm. We went there, we have seen 2-3 rabbits. The rabbit farm was amazing because they have a very big rabbits over there. Anyway, from the rabbit place we took few photos over there. Again, it's just a viewpoint. Okay, I felt like it don't have a lot of activities to do. We'll be going through the farm, we'll be looking their farming activities over there, and you'll have a view or to click beautiful photographs over there. Now from there we went to see the Parai village view. Again, that village view was really amazing. I love hill station. Who don't love hill station? Hill station will give you the amazing views that you have ever imagined in your life. Now from Parai village view, we directly went for our lunch. So we went to a simple authentic Tamil Nadu restaurant. We spent around 380 rupees on our lunch. It was a simple chicken thali with sambar rice, lemon chicken and papad. A very simple thali that we had over there. Now from our lunch we went to Kodaikanal Falls. Now in Kodaikanal Falls we seen a tourist crowd who went to that fall, who were taking bath on the fall. We both were not prepared for that. We were wearing our trekking boots and we don't want to spoil those up. We just stand up there, we took an amazing view of it, just calm our own self. Now from there we went to the cherry of the top of this 3 days of journey in Kodaikanal, the dolphin nose view. So we just thought that the driver will take us to a place. We'll go to the end of the hill and we'll be able to see a dolphin kind of nose view from there. We had that imagination, but as soon as we reach over there, then we realized no, it's just a trek that we have to go. It was a trekking point of around I think 2 kilometer or 2.5 kilometer of complete trekking that we have covered from top to the bottom. Okay, even we have crossed the dolphin nose viewpoint. We literally went down off the hill. We took an amazing view. I don't know the video that I'm playing over here, is this doing any justice or not. The view was amazing. The view looked like a clip from any Hollywood movie. It was so amazing. Now again, it was a 2.5 kilometer down the hill. Now we again have to go up for 2.5 kilometer. So believe me, I'm not that healthy to do such a long trekking journey, but anyway, we completed the whole trekking journey. We took a pause in between, just one pause while coming up from the hill, just to have refreshment, and again from there it was around 15 minutes of the trekking up to the hill to reach the place. So yeah, the second day went amazing. We were not prepared, definitely not prepared for that trekking. We thought it will just be a simple viewpoint that will reach there, but again it was, I will always call it as a cherry on the cake, because it has took our breath away with all those views and with the activity that we have did. Now coming to the day 3, we didn't went anywhere, so this is our last day over here in Kodaikanal. We thought to do we thought to take a chill pill over there. So basically we just chill come throughout the day. We had our breakfast over there, we had our lunch over there, then we take the cab at around 6:30 in the evening. We had our bus around 7:30, so we have to reach the town by 7. So we left from there around 6:30. Again, the cab took 500 rupees for us to drop to the bus stop. So yeah, so this is the complete journey that we have spent over there in Kodaikanal for 3 days 2 nights. It was amazing. So we tried to make our journey and the complete 3 days of our journey in Kodaikanal in expensive way. I hope that all the pricing that I mentioned over here was helpful for you to make a plan to go and visit Kodaikanal with all the expenses on your mind. So if you find out this video was helpful for you, do not forget to give a like to this video. Do not forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, because going ahead I'm going to share much more informative videos so that it will be helpful to whosoever is watching this video. If you're watching it, if you love today's video, do not forget to subscribe and share it with your friends who are planning to have a visit to Kodai. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm going to link my Instagram handle over here, and also I'm going to give a screenshot.